guys, welcome back to Jazzy61. So I'm going to show you guys the groceries we just got from Walmart. I don't know what that is. And we have to go get some from Sam's or Kroger or Market Street. Not really sure. Probably tomorrow. My husband's taking this big test right now, so he can't go out. So I'm going to go then when he gets out of his test. So I'm going to show you guys what we got right now, and then I'll show you what we got later on as well. I'm going to start over here on this counter. I got 2 pizzas for just in case we want to pop something in the oven. Don't feel like cooking much. Some ice cream bars and some more of my bun pops. A little lasagna in case I just don't feel like cooking. I got a lot of these types of things, guys. This is some more ground turkey, a bag of chicken legs. We have steak, and underneath that is a roast and then some buffalo style chicken wings. Okay, down here we have some angel salt and some more of my son's wipes. We usually get the big box that lasts us a while. I got 4 containers of 4 little containers of his little water bottles and 2 of the big ones because they haven't had those lately. So it's really exciting to have those again. But they got water, guys, so I'm buying lots of water. Here is all the stuff that I need for my face, mouthwash, things like that. So here are my exfoliating pads. I'm going to use that in my shower. It looks crazy right now. Some mouthwash, deodorant, some more of our leave-in conditioner, a bonnet. This is some skin fade cream. I usually use Ambi, but they didn't have any, so I got something different. A face wash that's gentle because my skin is really sensitive. Some astringent. Some stuff in my tummy. My mark's still there a little bit, you guys. I'm working on them. Some doggy shampoo. Some more little plates for little man. Sponges and scrubbers. Carpet Fresh. And then 3 little things of trash bags like we use. And then on to the food. Lots of chips because we go through them kind of quickly, especially when I make like chili dogs or nachos of any kind. So I was just trying to get 2 of them, but they normally don't have one, so I get the other. But they end up having both. So I got 3 bags of tortilla chips. These are plain Lay's. 2 bags of Cheetos, paper plates. We have family over here. Sea salt for my husband. 2 small blocks of Velveeta cheese, some spaghetti and some pasta sauce, cake mix, as well as some icing. Pickles. My little man loves the pickles. A little bit of taco seasoning. You guys know I use about half of that. Some ramen noodles. My son likes the chicken now. Got hot dog buns and tortilla shells, some yellow nectarines, some provolone cheese. These are for my sandwiches. Turkey dogs, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella, Fiesta blend, and then I got some of this whole grain wheat Pepperidge Farm bread for my sandwiches this time. I actually like that, but I just hadn't gotten it in a while. 2 things of mushrooms, some turkey breast, butter, corn, green beans. Romaine lettuce. As I said, the lettuce has been really gross lately, so I had to get this kind. Broccoli, some chicken broth, and some eggs. Hey guys, okay, so I just got the rest of the groceries from Kroger. I'm gonna show you guys what we got because we didn't go to Sam's either because Sam's has some really bad produce as well. We got some bad produce today, so I'm gonna show you guys what we got. First, I'm gonna show you some of this produce my mom and my parents brought me. Go back towards the light. The ones my mom and my pop bought me, because they picked some stuff from their garden and brought it for us. Y'all gotta see these cucumbers, okay? See these cucumbers. That is a cucumber, you guys. Yeah, they serious with the gardening, okay? So this cucumber is almost the length of my forearm. Ignore my dishes. I always feel like it's dishes in my sink when I do videos in here, you guys. Ignore them. Let me point this way just so y'all can see. Look at that thing. It's ridiculous. I'm sorry if I look salty, guys. I just got through working out. But what I was going to say is I also picked up another order from Walmart this afternoon because there was some stuff missing from my order and I didn't realize why. And I didn't even realize it was gone because they didn't update me on anything. It was a really big order, but it didn't update me on anything until after I got my receipt. So I didn't realize I had stuff missing until I got home yesterday. So one of the things I was missing was bananas. So I went and got them. I also got milk, my paper towels. I think that's all the food stuff I got. There's some house stuff too, but food-wise, milk and bananas was what was missing. So everything else I tried to get from Kroger to see if they had better produce. My husband said when he went in there, they did. I'm at this point, y'all, with these strawberries. If I ain't pick it, I ain't with it, okay? If I didn't pluck it from the vine, it's fine. You can keep that. Okay, I don't want it. I don't want it. These sad strawberries. Because they sad. That one look gross over there. I think it's something wrong with it. Moving on. I got myself 2 things of sliced apples, you guys, because I've been trying to get them, but they were slimy when I got them from Walmart, and they smelled like, I'm gonna say this is gonna sound bad, it smelled like somebody tooted in the container and closed it. Not kidding at all. So I got myself some sliced apples. They are individually packaged. I prefer that like that now because I think they're fresher than the ones I've been trying to get from other places. So we got some asparagus. I'm gonna make us some steaks at some point this week, myself and my husband. Baby carrots. My husband likes to just eat these, you guys, but I also put them in my roast. If you know, you know. We got some shredded lettuce. This isn't as slimy as the one from Walmart, but it got some ugly pieces in it. I don't know what that is. Good thing I got some romaine lettuce. I got 2 bushels of this. As you guys know, my husband likes them in his salads, but they're also better right now for us to get these and cut it ourselves as opposed to keep getting this type of stuff. All right, moving on. Some yogurts. I got the bigger containers. These are bigger than the ones that you get in the big packaging. They had them like 10 for like $5 or something like that. I don't know. I got 10. Now this part of the produce looks a lot better, you guys. We got green bell pepper, got some orange sweet peppers, we got some yellow as well as some red. They are firm, you guys. They are firm. You know, the other ones we've been getting have been kind of soggy and squishy and had black spots on them. These look great. Over here we got some golden apples. I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna like those. I'm gonna try them. We're gonna see. We trying to see. Tomatoes. I thought I ordered more than this. I don't know. Tomatoes. These are like the big ones, the bigger ones. And then these are the little ones. I think they're called Roma tomatoes. My husband likes to cook with these more than he likes to cook with these. And then I got myself some, one of my plums got busted. Oh no. Oh no. We gotta have a conversation with Kroger. You see that? I don't know if it was just bad or if they just smacked it in there and it ripped open. Either way it goes, that's no, because it's already super soft. The rest of them are still firm, so I'm gonna have to clean those off, but plums. Alright guys, so here's the little stuff we got from Sam's. They finally had paper towels. My husband got a big thing of paper towels. These batteries, because our smoke detectors have been beeping like crazy for no reason. 2 things of oatmeal for my little one. Some dates. He likes those. I like them too, to be honest, because I got them, kind of got hooked on them in, when we were in Tunisia. Tomatoes, you guys, because though I bought some, he bought some more. Some steak, and then he bought my son some books. Oh, hold on. He bought my little man some books. He got a coloring book and Hello Farm book. These are the better ones for him because he can't rip the pages out. And these are, I don't know what this is. I guess they're for the toilet or something. What is this for? I have no clue. But it's a 6-pack of them. Okay, guys. As usual, let me get some light. There it is. As usual, Kroger was a little slow. But right now, their produce seem a lot better than what we've been getting them. 100% honest, because they've been really squishy. They've been black. They've been moldy. The only thing that's messed up right now is those plums and those strawberries. I did order some wings from there as well. They have like good roasted wings from the deli. They didn't have those. So everything else is okay. Walmart was off, but I ordered a big order yesterday. Like, it was huge. It was over 100 items. It was a lot. So I let that one slide. Other than that, everything else has been pretty good. Hopefully the produce keep coming like decent from Kroger, and we'll keep going there, I guess, because Sam's wasn't that great. We still need to go to Sam's to get my son's oatmeal and a couple of other items, but overall everything else is taken care of. So we're in the clear. So thank you guys for watching another of my videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.